Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to create the panel with button, interactable button. So let's start. So let's have some review of the past, what we've done last time. Last time we did VStack, and also we kind of add some modifier for the text. Also we have edge stack. Edge stack means that you stack the component horizontally. VStack means that you stack things vertically. So we also add a button. We add a new button and we put a button and the icon and the text inside the button. So yeah, we can do some interesting things. So let's jump it. New file. Okay, so on Vision Pro, we select the interface, Swift UI view. We can do UI 02. Oh, okay, maybe 05. Okay, so what we can do is just like last time, it will show like a very bare minimum text. And since we've already shown how to do things, so let me just very quickly edit. So VStack, and we use curly break, right and left. Okay, so usually we do this one end of VStack. Okay, so just to make sure that we are good, and also after that we want to add some modifier, glass background effect. Glass background effect, the first one. Okay, so you can see the background, and then we want some paddings. Okay, so this is kind of like a short panel, and later on we want to kind of duplicate it, and then we want to have, for example, the first one we want to have let's say this is stream, so we edit good morning Mars. Okay, so something that you want to say. Okay, maybe we can bold, make it a little bolder, or later on we can maybe make it more, this one more, make more I would say maybe opacity. Let's change the opacity. Yeah, so it can have like a lower opacity. Hey, oh, this is 0. Okay, so something along the line for this. Yeah, so this is kind of a very simple way to do VStack. And then we before we introduce edge stack. Edge stack is more like the horizontal stack. So stack. Okay, so what we can do is we do curly break and we break it down. Again, we want to have end of edge stack. Those are really helpful when you start building the large panel. So edge stack. So what can we do? We can definitely add some images. Yeah, we can do the system name. We can add a bunch of system thing. We can do eraser, right? Do eraser. Oh, system name. Oh, okay, system name. Again. Oh, stream. You need to do the quotation mark. Okay, so we put it inside, so later on we won't have any error. Okay, so we double click and put a string of the file name, and then we can do image system name. Oh, maybe I just copy and paste. Edge stack. Yeah, we can do maybe another one. Let's do pencil. Oh, oh okay. Let's just do this one. Okay, so let's click it and then double click pencil. Then we can probably have something, maybe a book. Let's see. A book. Let's see which book. Maybe this book. Oh, okay. So this book is outside, so I need to kind of take it out and then add book. Okay, so something like this, right? And this is probably too close, so we kind of want to add some paddings. So end of edge stack, we can go down here and padding. Yeah, so we can add some paddings. Yeah, I mean, this seems a little too much. Let's see if we can take this out. Oh, this is not. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, so inside we kind of, after that we want to add a button. So how to add a button? So edge stack. So we've already finished the edge stack. So we kind of take out all the empty space. Okay, so now we want to add another component, which is button. Button, we want to have action. So button action. Okay, so if you see this one. Okay. End of edge stack. Oh, I think there's something. Action label. Okay, so what we can do is the label, we can add text, right? We can have like an end of button just to make sure it's not confusing. Okay, so end of button. So pretty much what I did is that I look at whatever here, and then I adjust the code. So button, I want to have a text. Says that pick one. Maybe just pick one. Okay, pick one, right? Yeah, so we can see like there's a interesting kind of like a label, pick one. And we want to, if we want to have a book, I don't really know what am I kind of trying to do, but you can see like pick one. Or we can even do in front of it, so we can have like pick one. Maybe pick one can be something else, right? You can see some other icons. Pick. If we can have pick. Maybe let's see what icons looks good. Maybe some scribbling. Pick one. Okay, so it looks very dynamic. So if you click, you can see like the button is interactable. Later on, you can definitely add some destination, so you can link to something or some certain action will show up. But today we just do this. And also you can add some other paddings to some other areas. For example, VStack, we can also have some paddings, or buttons. It seems like a lot of it's like a little bit off. Yeah, so maybe something like this. Good morning. Good morning, San Francisco. As if Los Angeles. Okay. Good morning, LA. Hello. 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 Raining day. Hello, raining day. Yeah, I should put some rain and umbrella and pick one, right? So yeah, it's fun. So pretty much this will be something that you can explore, or you can just take this out so there's no bold. So we can kind of modify boldness, opacity, or we can change the color. For example, like if you like this, pick one color, we wanna change it to some other color. Oh. Color, maybe you can have blue, right? Pick one. Ooh, this is cool. Or we want like an image to have other color, blue. Yeah, maybe some interesting things. Or we can take this out so it's not like too many things going on. I mean, maybe this one. Yeah. Okay, so this is about it. And also what we can do is we can probably add a bunch of it. So for example, if we want to kind of add more, maybe it's like a raining day, what can you do, right? We can add a lot of them. So for example, like this one, raining day, maybe something like this, right? Or yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, okay, so maybe something like this. Yeah, pick one and you can click, right? Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.